Well, good morning, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again on the 27th of December 2021. Today I wanted to talk to you about Doge Cash. As if there aren't enough Doge coins out there, it just seems like everybody that's got a new spin on this particular usage of the blockchain just seems to want to name their stuff Doge. And it's working. It's getting attention. As we can see here, we've got Doge Cash sitting at 2 cents, up 5% on the day with a market cap of almost $500,000. This one's flying under the radar, but I think it might warrant our attention. As you will see in this video, this dog just might have a few teeth that we can't take for granted. So if we look at the chart, we can see that over the course of 7 days, it's had some bumps and ups and downs, but overall it's going up. The monthly chart reveals a more grim picture of it sliding negative. But it's early in the game. If we look at the 1 year picture, we'll see that it goes back to 12/27/2020. So this has been out for a while, okay? It's actually been out even longer than that. You can see that it's been out since 2019. So Doge Cash is one of those that's been sitting under the radar. They had the idea of doing this way before other people started making inroads to copying the whole Doge concept, or at least stealing the name. So let's go ahead and dig into what's going on with Doge Cash. If we were to hop over to their website, let's just shrink this down a little bit and take a look. We'll see that Doge Cash claims that it's is for merchants. Doge Cash is the perfect for merchants, and instant arrival, no chargebacks, competitive staking, and almost zero fees. So they've worked in some plus ups so that when people accept Doge Cash, they don't have to pay these large fees. I think another thing that I found very interesting was this whole privacy function. I want to jump in there real quick. It talks about Doge Cash adopts privacy as a fundamental Doge right. And when you use ZDO GEC protocol, transactions are secure and untraceable. So they have an element of privacy that's afforded to people who want to take advantage of it for Doge Cash. Let's look at some of the other facets. Where can you buy Doge Cash? So here it says you can buy it right here. You can buy it directly from them. Okay, so they have a process here. And here's the exchanges that it's available on: StakeCube and Stex. So not real large exchanges that most people may have heard of. But again, it's been out since 2019. So that's something you might want to consider. Let's take a look at some of the other details. The governance is kind of open, okay? Funds in a decentralized way community projects that'll improve the ecosystem. So not a lot of detail here. They got proposals, they got the budget. It's pretty much kind of open. And of course, last but not least, their economy. Doge Cash economy is thought of as a store of value and transactional coin with a long-term viable economy. So here's where they start talking about how merchants can basically accept the coin without chargebacks, competitive staking, and almost zero fees. So when you start looking at this, you start to realize that this is not a joke coin. Okay? They also talk about how you can earn extra income by setting up Doge on what they call a master node. Okay, so this is very interesting. So they've got a lot of different things here you can do with Doge C, and this is something we want to watch. Even though the market cap is only sitting at about 430,000, I think it's definitely something we might want to pay attention to. I don't know what this Doge Cash poker is. Maybe this is somebody's usage of, there you go, look at that. Somebody's usage of Doge Cash to make a poker game. So, first ever DAO poker room. Interesting. Well, this is definitely something that we are going to keep our eye on. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, please like and subscribe. You might just stumble upon the next big crypto that you might want to invest in. Just hit that notification bell and we'll do the rest. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.